Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create others versus me at 6 a.m. trend video on TikTok. So if you want to show what you are at 6 a.m. versus someone else who are partying at 6 a.m., then let me show you how to create this video trend. So for this video trend, you'll need TikTok and you need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Play Store or your App Store, so go ahead and download that. Once that's downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. In your TikTok app, you're tapping on search at the top right and you're searching for the following account. Test the Simple Dad. Then tap on users and here you're tapping on this account. Go ahead and visit the profile page. Now keep watching till the end of this video as that template will appear here. However, for now I'll choose for my favorites. And this is a template which looks like this. Other people at 6 a.m. while me at 6 a.m. doing something else. So to use this template, go ahead and tap on Capcut, others versus me at 6 a.m. Tap on use template in Capcut. And then tap on use template. Now you want to go ahead and show what you are at 6 a.m. I'll choose a video. And this is you at 6 a.m., maybe going to your office, and so on. Now, once you're happy, go ahead and tap on export. Tap on save and share to TikTok. This will send it over to TikTok. Tap on next. Add your captions or any tags. Then I'll tap on post and post that video. Now, for those of you who want to find this template, you need to go on TikTok, search for Test the Simple Dad account. Looks like this. And then go to the video page and you should see the template right here. Others versus me at 6 a.m. Just above the username, you'll see Capcut, others versus me. Tap on it and you'll be able to use that template. So there you go guys, that is how to create others versus me at 6 a.m. trend video on TikTok. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.